A political war of words over the entire Prajwal Revanna episode. We're being joined right now by the Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka, Mr. D.K. Shivakumar. Sir, thank you for speaking to us in the midst of the election, sir. This is something that nobody had expected. The first finger that Mr. Kumaraswamy points is at you, sir. He says that Mr. D.K. Shivakumar has always been attacking my family, and the timing of this video being released is now being questioned, sir. How are you viewing this?
Why should I attack his family? They are attacking us. They have filed case against my wife, my sister, my brother, me. Lot of harassment I have gone through last 40 years. We are fighting election each other. He accused my mother itself. He said, Mr. Kumaraswamy had said that I am not born to my father. Do you know that? That Kumaraswamy has said, I am telling you this on record, he said that I am not born to my father. Then I had to question him when he was the chief minister. Then the thug came, apologized in front of more than 20,000 people. I did not allow him to start a function. He has to answer. I made my mother sit in front of him and tell him whom I am born. This is what has gone in the history of Karnataka politics. He is very famous for this dirty issue. He is the father of this, all this nonsense, dirty nonsense. So today he is accusing me. If we had, I know how to act. Because he lost his image, he lost his ground, the people of Karnataka has thrown out, he has misused every section. That is why he only said no. He didn't want him to, Prajwal to be given a ticket. Then he only said that BJP also warned him. Then a letter has gone. Then he said it is his son on the stage. Then he is telling only Devegowda and he is only the family. Revanna is not the family. What is all this nonsense? Are these Karnataka people fools? We are not fools. Karnataka people are very intelligent. Then what nonsense he is speaking? Just because my party high command decided that to go for election, I agreed and I just bowed to my head. I know these thugs last 40 years.
So he said that this is the sixth guarantee of the Congress party. To release the video on 21st has been the sixth guarantee. But at the same time, sir, he's also distanced himself from this entire thing, saying that this is not a part of my family. Yesterday, Mr. H.D. Revanna admitted that this was a video almost 4 or 5 years old. Why is the Congress filing a case now?
I don't know about it. It is between the woman who has been done. It is the media friend who exposed. It is the woman who had done, who had been accusing, filed a complaint before the woman commissioner, and it is between them. Congress government or state government, police department is doing its law as per whenever they got the information. And Mr. Revanna has also admitted that it is 5 years, 6 years. Even it may be 5 years or 6 years. It is a crime which has been done. Why did he hide it?
Okay, sir, one last question to you. We are seeing that the Home Minister today, Union Home Minister Amit Shah, has also attacked the Congress party. He has said that women are not safe. Why is the Congress party not taking action? But you were quite sharp in your attack also over this entire Fayaz case, the Fayaz and Neha Hiremat case. How are you viewing him reacting on this statement, sir?
See, Amit Shah has reacted today. Good, at least he has tried to cover his face. But he can't escape it. He is accountable. He can't put the responsibility on JDS. Because he's a partner. He has agreed that they are the partners, the NDA partners. He should tell the country, he is telling that we are for Nari Shakti. If you are Nari Shakti, what about your partner? Whether you want to be with them or disassociate with them. See, Kumaraswamy disassociate with the family. He said that they are not. I am separate, I am individual. I am no way connected to Revanna. I am no way connected to the family, he said. So you tell whether you are associated or not. You are telling a partner and you are telling they will take the action. That is not right. Honorable Home Minister should be accountable for this country and all his partners.
Sir, questions are being raised about why Mr. H.D. Revanna has still not been arrested. He has been named as the A1 in the FIR. So questions are now being raised about whether there's any attempt to shield anyone in this case, sir, if there are any adjustments that are being made, and why his arrest or action against him has not come through.
See, I don't know. I have to just ask the Home Department or the Police Department. I don't know whether they are hiding or not. I don't know about it. You better speak to my Home Minister or the concerned police officers. I think they may enlighten you more.
Okay. So lastly, your word to all the women in this.